The results astounded us in a way, but then thinking more deeply, and it'll be evident even after I explain it in the context of this conversation, likely why we saw the results we saw. The results were astounding because our hypothesis going into this was that the high fiber diet was going to give the massive signal. We know that this is the big deficiency in the Western diet. All the mouse studies have told us that high fiber really leads to a much healthier microbiota, can lead to positive changes in the immune system. And in fact, even when we had a limited, we had wonderful donor support, but still a limited amount of money when we started this study, my lab was really very eager to do the high fiber part of this really well. And Christopher kind of had to twist our arms to do the fermented food side of it. And we thought it was kind of quirky and neat, like live microbes should be exciting, like let's try it. So we put that in, and it turns out that we were very thankful that he twisted our arms, because it was that high fermented food arm that really gave us the big signal. Even though our hypothesis was that the high fiber was going to lead to more short chain fatty acids produced in the gut, more diverse microbiota, less inflammation in the immune system, we didn't see that across the cohort. We actually saw very individualized responses to the dietary fiber, and I'll come back to what those responses were. The big signal really was in the fermented food group. We saw all the things that you would hope to see in a Western microbiota and Western human. We saw this increase in microbiota diversity over the course of the 6 weeks while they were consuming the fermented foods. And we can't always say that higher